Are you curious about the amount of Social Security benefits you can expect to receive upon retirement? The newly updated official calculator might just be the tool you need to find out. Connor Reed, updated 05/9/2025, 1356 CDT. When it comes to planning for retirement, making informed financial choices is crucial. Fortunately, the latest version of the official Social Security calculator simplifies this process significantly. This innovative tool, created by the Social Security Administration, SSA, provides users with a tailored estimate of their potential monthly benefits at retirement. It takes into account your work history and the age at which you plan to retire, making it a personalized resource for your financial planning. A more user-friendly and accurate tool, the revamped calculator is now accessible on the SSA's official website and has been designed to enhance user experience. Unlike earlier versions, this tool eliminates the need for account creation or the submission of sensitive personal information. All you need to do is input your date of birth, current salary, and your anticipated retirement age to receive a swift and dependable estimate of your benefits. How does the calculator function? This tool utilizes the latest data regarding Social Security benefit formulas, which include adjustments for inflation and changes in retirement age. You can explore various scenarios, such as retiring at ages 62, 67, or 70, and observe how these choices impact your monthly benefit amount. Additionally, it allows you to see how fluctuations in your annual income or interruptions in your work history could affect your benefits. Benefits for those approaching retirement. For individuals who are just a few years away from retirement, this calculator proves to be particularly beneficial. It empowers you to make educated decisions about when to begin receiving benefits, how to enhance your income through personal savings or pensions, and the potential effects of working a few extra years. Promoting financial literacy for everyone. Beyond the calculator, the SSA also provides a wealth of educational resources that clarify how benefits are calculated, the various factors that influence the final amount, and how to safeguard your earnings history. This initiative aims to equip citizens with the knowledge they need to take charge of their financial futures through clear and accessible information. An essential tool for your future. The new Social Security calculator is a vital resource for anyone looking to plan their retirement effectively. With just a few simple pieces of information, you can obtain a realistic estimate of your benefits, enabling you to make more informed decisions about your retirement strategy. If you're contemplating your financial future, this tool is an excellent starting point. But here's where it gets controversial. Many people underestimate the importance of understanding their Social Security benefits. Are you one of them? What steps are you taking to ensure you're prepared for retirement? Share your thoughts in the comments below.